The state of Minnesota released new measures Friday to combat the spread of coronavirus. This as the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases has grown. Governor Tim Walz declared a peacetime emergency due to the outbreak. The declaration will help the state respond more rapidly to issues as they arrive. As we went to air, there were 14 confirmed COVID-19 cases in Minnesota. The Department of Health announced 5 more positive tests on Friday. All of the cases are related to travel exposure. There's no evidence yet of community transmission. The Department of Health recommends canceling or postponing events of 250 people or more. The Minnesota State High School girls basketball tournament was set to enter its 3rd day of play with limited attendance until it was canceled Friday morning. The section and state boys basketball tournaments were also called off. Robbinsdale area schools closed Friday after a parent came into contact with a person who tested positive for COVID-19. Reporter Pafua Yang has more details.
Shannon, the parent reported that they were in the gym at Forest Elementary on Wednesday during parent pickup. That's when they encountered an individual who's tested positive for COVID-19. Forest Elementary Principal Melissa Jackson immediately called the parent and instructed the parent to contact the Minnesota Department of Health hotline to determine next steps. The health department recommends that the parent keep their student home until further instructions. The parent is not currently showing any symptoms, but the district says they will remain in contact with the parent and continue to monitor the situation. The district says in response they are working to thoroughly clean and sanitize the gym and parent pickup areas. The Minnesota Department of Health is recommending that schools reduce large gatherings and to limit visitors into buildings. The Wayzata School District sent a letter to staff and families on Thursday informing about its plans. The Wayzata District will be canceling all after-school activities, all evening and weekend community classes and facility rentals, and field trips and other off-campus learning experiences through April 6. The Wayzata School District says they are working to put together online and other learning experiences for students in the event that it must close schools. School officials say they will be taking directions from health experts, including the Minnesota Department of Health and the CDC. Reporting in Crystal, Pafua Yang, CCX News.
The COVID-19 outbreak is also changing the workplace. At the Golden Valley headquarters of General Mills, workers who are able will work from home until at least April 1st. The Department of Health recommends staggering work schedules and limiting non-essential work travel.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.